Tarzan Chase Cavalera. Today we're going to do another frequently asked question. We're going to talk about fledglings as it's mid-March, and though it's slightly early, we already had one take place the other day, and they can actually be born anytime between late winter and into the fall. Here's a video of a hawk fledgling to get us started.
Okay, this is a baby, I think. We just saw two adults, and apparently there is a nest in the trees somewhere. The homeowner saw it a minute ago. I don't see it now that I'm in a different place. But let me take another gander at this dude. And look up there. See that hawk up there? And there up in the top there is the nest, I think. So I'm thinking, even though it's super early, I see him. Can you see him through the trees there? All right, bird, I will crawl under here just to get good footage of you. I got a stick in my ear. Oh my gosh. How you doing, buddy? So you're definitely a youngster, and I don't think there's anything wrong with you at all, except for the fact that you are learning to fly. So maybe I'll slither towards you. Take a better look.
He's right out here in the sun. Oh, now he's going back.
Yeah, I saw.
Now he's right. Oh, there it goes back. He can't figure out where he wants to go. He's right on the edge of this last.
Yeah, well, yeah, I'm filming him. He's running right at me.
Now he's. Want me to get on that side?
Nope. Just be still and quiet, and I'll see what I can do. I'm really observing him right now. How you doing, baby bird? Oh, slithering through the gravel. Oh. Oh. The things I do for the sake of entertainment. Kind of as a rule, when there's parents hanging out, we stay back. Now that I serpentine through this gravel. Yeah, see, he had a little lift there. I don't want him to land in that yard now that I know that there's a big dog over there. This is a perfect example of a fledgling, only it just happens to be a more marvelous bird than a sparrow. So we've got hawks in the sky, you see. We've got the nest up there in the top of that pine tree. We saw two hawks at the same time. They're watching this kid, and there is a Weimaraner, yes, Weimaraner of sorts, and saying hello. So we don't want to scare this dude into that yard. So we are going to go home and maybe grab some lunch and leave this guy alone. Well, mom is swooping around. They basically want us to go away.
So, as you could see, there was at least one parent. I did see two actually hanging out. The nest and the bird was actually in decent condition. There's nothing wrong with it. So in this particular case, what we do is walk away. Leave them alone. That's all you need to do. Mom will take care of them by feeding them from the ground. As birds, whether they be tiny little sparrows or giant great horned owls, none of them leap from the nest and soar with the eagles. It's not how it goes down. Babies, much like toddlers, have to learn how to fly or walk. So they will go falling with style to the ground, and then they learn by hopping around for the next few days. Parents feed them on the ground, and then they're out of your hair. No problem. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Be kind to each other and kind to wildlife.